Choo-choo train.
Piggy. Piggy, piggy. Piggy. Piggy, piggy.
Where's the piggy?
Hmm.
I don't see it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. My name's Amanda. If you're new here, I have a 21-month-old named Maggie, and we are in the middle of VLOGMAS. I am over here at the zoo. Sorry if you guys are tired of going to the zoo. We go so often, so that's what we're doing today. I'll try to do some different stuff that we don't normally do, like the aviary. I want to check out the kangaroos. We haven't done that in a while. So I'm going to try to do some different stuff that we don't normally do in the vlog, so you can see some different things. We are anticipating some severe weather later today after the afternoon. So hopefully it'll hold off until we get home safely. We actually have a tornado watch right now. I think we'll be safe at the zoo. I mean, they'll let us know if anything's going on. I was going to go on a hike based on the weather. We're going to not do the hike because we don't want to be stranded. So we're going to do the zoo where it's safer, more enclosed, and a loop so we can leave at any time. And Maggie and I are kind of arguing today. She wanted to stay home yesterday, so we did. That was fine. But today I wanted to go somewhere. So I don't even think Maggie wants to be at the zoo, but I do. So we came out. I had a really hard time getting her to get ready to get out the door, and just a lot of whining, a lot of crankiness on both sides today. So hopefully being out in nature will help improve our moods. Some days are just like that, you know? If you have kids, if you have toddlers, you know. Some days are just difficult. All right, let's get into the zoo, see what animals we can see if they put any more Christmas decorations up, and hopefully have a nice morning. It's a little windy. I just talked to the person at the check-in, and they said if there's a tornado, they'll let us know. We're gonna go back and see the petting zoo first. Goodness.
So you can pet them on the back.
Look at the fluffy chickens. Oh, they're so soft. Do you want to get closer, Maggie? Whoa. So cute. Oh, look how hi.
Call her Chicken Junior.
Chicken Junior. Oh my goodness, the chickens are so soft. Do you want to go pet the chicken? Hi. Pet him on the back? Do you want to pet this chicken, Maggie? That the keeper Brian has?
You want to try?
Do you want to pet her? Do you have a rooster somewhere?
We don't. We have
Oh, wow.
three.
Our neighbors have roosters.
Yeah.
I saw them all on the roof one day.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, they really crow all day.
Really?
Like they say, like it's not just in the morning, it's all,
Right.
anytime they want. Oh, she pooped.
Uh-oh.
Little poopy.
That's a present.
That's a present. Where does he normally live in the real world? Like, what's
In
his
the real
habitat?
world, it'd be in like desert or like savanna grassland.
Like, okay, we were just hungry, just want to be fed. Just want to be fed. They're so soft. You want to scratch his back? Ooh. Oh, she's going bye-bye. Woo! What are you guys doing? Hey guys. I just love chickens.
They're really cool.
They're so soft. There you go. That's nice. More? They're all over there by the keeper. It's falling over. Yeah. It's a cute little face. The brown one? Okay. Don't get me. Oh, there's a black one coming at you, Maggie. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, touch its back.
Let's go.
Huh? No, wait. Yeah, bubbles. That's nice. Hi, baby. That is a baby.
Baby.
Oh, he's coming out.
Mama,
Natural air conditioning. All right, we just had a great time chatting with the keeper and the volunteer about all the barnyard animals. So now we're over in the playground in the tunnels. Let's go see. Let's go see. It's like we're inside the tunnels. There's a little tunnel over here. We made it. Ooh, the wind's picking up. Woo! Put a little one down there. It doesn't roll. We need some balls. See if that will roll. Put it right here. Kind of like a car wheel. Ready? Whee! Whee! Look at that, a mole statue. Yeah, we're up really high. Do you want to go on the bridge? Whoa. Big fishy. Wow, look at that. Stingray. And a big fish. Stingray. Whoa. Oh, wow. Stingray. We're heading over into the Lands of Change to feed the birds in the aviary. The lunch area was really busy. I was going to stop and get some lunch, but it's too crowded, so we're just going to feed the birds and then head out. Zebra longwing.
Super friendly. His
So
name is Charming.
cute.
So our boys and our girls are all named after like princesses.
That's so cute.
Mice as well. And since they're nocturnal, we feed them at night.
Yeah.
But they will take mice from us by hand. It's a lot of fun feeding them. I enjoy it.
Woo! Hi guys. Here we go.
Yeah, I was just checking. She's sitting on shoes or dummy eggs because they don't want.
Wow, so beautiful. Say hi, bird. Hi, guy. Gorgeous coloring. Wow. Are you recording?
Alyssa, that's amazing.
Don't get too close. Wow, Maggie, that's a good video. So pretty, right? Good job. That's a tawny frogmouth. You say frogmouth? We're at Target. Look what they have. This is great for Montessori toddlers. Make your own snack on this cutting board. This is a little wooden knife. This is great if you are trying to do Montessori toddler stuff. Same with this. We have some child size kitchen tools. This is fabulous. $3 each set.
Okay.
Some more open-ended toys. $3 for some Legos. Play-Doh.
Oh.
All right, I just left Target. Maggie just fell asleep. I am in the line for Starbucks because I have two more hot coffee rewards. I'm gonna cash one in for this gloomy, rainy day. Yeah, Maggie and I are definitely having a day today. I would say it's like not terrible, but it's definitely not really enjoyable. Just like a lot of fussing and crying. I actually just gave her some medicine. I think her teeth are hurting her and she's tired. I was hoping she would sleep in the stroller at Target, but that was not happening. She's having a lot of meltdowns, so we got out of there quickly. I had to get a birthday present for a kid's birthday party that we're going to this weekend. So I got that real quick and we just had to get out of there. So honestly, it was good though because I think the severe weather is on its way. I saw some lightning. So we're gonna get this girl into her bed when we get home and just enjoy the storm and our coffee. This might have been a mistake. This is one of those days where the line is completely frozen. Have not moved in a long time. The weather's getting worse. I should have just went home. Coffee acquired. I just saw the craziest lightning. Whew, baby, I would love to capture some on camera for you, but not very safe to do that while I'm driving. So maybe at home we'll set up the camera in the backyard. Ooh, thunder. Eee, I love it. All right, let's concentrate on driving. Maggie woke up after 2.5 hours asleep. It is after 4 o'clock already. I actually fell asleep with her for a little bit. I was just relaxing and then finally fell asleep. And I definitely needed it, but we are still having some intense toddler moments and I just really don't feel like vlogging anymore. I just feel like it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle tonight. I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna end the video here. But thank you guys for coming to the zoo with us. I hope you had fun during that part of the day and just seeing some more realistic feelings out of the rest of the day. Thank you guys for watching my Vlogmas videos. We will see you in the next one. Bye guys.